Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yes guys, well, blessed love. You know it's another day here on the journey. And you know the journey never stops, the journey continues, which is, you know, you're sharing the love and the universe, you know, helping out each other. Each one teach one, you know. That's how we do it. Each one reach one. So nothing but love and love alone. So blessed love to each and every one of my lovely subscribers. Welcome back to Keenan Life in Jamaica. And please, while you're here, don't forget to put the thumbs up, share the love. So if you're not a part of the 70,000 subscribers, you want to be a part moving forward, please remember to hit that subscribe button, you know. It's right below. And when you do, select the notification bell, and you can select all notifications that you don't miss nothing at all. So you know guys, today we're going to end up to Mama River to give a donation to Cranberry and see how the dad is going, you know. So first we also have a donation as well for some of the members and then that it came the time when Jamaican uncle and Ridley and Trencho and Grandpa, the three musketeers were here, you know, so I'm sending a donation for them to get $3,000 each, you know, that is on the video that came when we was getting the KFC and also Calby as well, you know. So let me give them this donation before we move on, you know. So here we're going to do it. Alright, Jackson, we have $3,000 here for you from Jamaican uncle. Remember Jamaican uncle? Yeah. When we went to buy Cranberry? Yeah, so this is $3,000 here for you. Yeah. From Jamaican uncle.
Yeah, Jamaican uncle. Yeah, give thanks and praise every time. Yeah, blessing every time, love every time. More love every time. Give thanks and praise every time. Yeah.
And we have $3,000 as well for Boom from Jamaican uncle himself.
Jamaican uncle, thanks and a blessing and one love. Blessing, thanks.
Don't want to touch home. And we have 30 grand here as well too.
One Jamaican uncle, grandpa. You don't know, you know. You see me I say, big up all of the family, man. You see me I say, we're there, man, outside.
So here's $3,000 worth for you.
Man. Enough respect
from Jamaican uncle.
Mothers and respect, grandpa. You see me I say, yeah man, and make no food basket, never empty. You see me I say, yeah man, enough love and respect, man. You see me I say, appreciate it.
Alright. So guys, so we're going to head on our journey now. Can you think out already? So blessed love, blessed love.
I'm going to tell them so we're not hearing.
Much fierce.
Much fierce.
Meds them, what you want?
They say I meds them.
Yeah, you see it. Preschool, that's why I'm being knocked.
Yo, I catch up.
Yeah man.
Alright, may I pull over and give you a minute?
So where you do? You circle?
May I pull over and give you a minute then?
Alright, yeah man, I am here. You gotta pull over there.
Guys, you know who could pass and give him a stop this time, you know, because trust me. Yeah. Yeah.
Walking on people, them a ball. So they want to see a downtown. They must say keen on the walk downtown. From Bedford Street, I mean, that's how you mean. But
that's a long time
uptown. Keen on style of uptown blogger. The man are not too much, but you see downtown.
Yeah.
Them a cry for your keen.
So we have to give them a walk.
Yeah, we have to give them a walk keen. I tell us, also you to come from home. I dey town every day and be all before I come outside. So you have to go link to one idea in the morning. when I come here, say no key all 12, 1 o'clock, you know.
Okay, so that's out in the morning.
Yeah, because in the early the sun up on the side there.
Oh.
Yeah, man, I want key in life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
But they are big up the Rasta.
Yeah,
and the power. You know how we do the thing. Yeah.
See a lot. Try and buy.
When I last key in the pass,
Yeah.
and when I last, then see me on the thing, and I say, you know, see me, but you know, we're busy up there.
Yeah, so.
Food,
See there, $1,000.
1,000, look how them one are.
Sure.
You know, them one are the new one, them woman, they love them one.
Them one are new ones.
Them one are
Yeah.
nice, just one them. Ladies, right, yes, sir. You see what I say?
And that one are the tight up.
Yeah, that one are the tight up, mad. You see what I say?
Once you can.
You see what I say?
Try and buy, my friend. Try and buy.
I want big because you don't know, sir. I saw the thing going on because you know people them every day they see them keen. I can't walk them as
Coat not expensive, coat not well dear. Tell all the farmer to plant enough this year. Coat not expensive, coat not well dear.
Coat not expensive, coat not well dear. Tell all the people to plant up this year. Coat not expensive, coat not well dear. Tell all the farmers to plant up this year. This is something where my road weakness. Coat not it a sell in a supermarket. You have to ask the price it carry, price for it. Coat not is like what's like the national dish. Everything when me a cook, coat not in it. Watch you know, yes them dumpling there. I coat not juicy man.
Hello. Yo, give me beat Jackson.
Man, and I saw the
Hear the beat now.
yeah, man, boss it up because you know, sir. All right, boss it. Can you see that one? That one had the love jar one.
Yeah.
Watch out. Love jar, my old man attack. Love jar, with all of your heart. Love jar, my old man attack. Love jar. When the Bible got your one, every day they get up, but they got up their man. One rap nav, head foot rap nav, and one to life and all lean at the man. Them the same thing, they don't write it wrong. Father, you hear me prayer, and me feel the bless of your power. Listen, Father, you hear me prayer, and me feel the bless of your power. Every day they get up with the fussing and fight, with them gunshot and the spear and knife. Cannot believe they want to take life. Love Jah, with all of your heart. Love Jah, my road man attack. Love Jah. You see little while.
Yeah.
Kino come get me so dead when not charge them in on me. I'm in so no. I revive me just a revive.
Yeah.
Kino, you ever come get me with energy. Yo,
bro, the energy.
Me there a little while me alone and you know nothing I sell and the breeze a lick me like a sleep or a sleep. I mean I want no weed and not to give me the vibe there. People, you know, you see all of the people them maroon this year. People, who don't see them man. We don't get enough enough of maroon. From Kino life in Jamaica. Tell us that's how we do it thing. You see what I say? Them know some maroon energy. Yeah man, when Kino pass you say it's not a normal green.
No.
You see what I say? See all my Rasta friend remember me tell you say one Rasta Jackson. Yeah!
Not
Energy!
Energy.
Yeah man,
Raise the man.
Africa, you know.
Raise the
Alright,
man.
you know, black I am, you know.
Yeah.
I say it, we not change our identity.
Yeah.
Because, yo, as me said that, big up D-Wanga.
Yeah.
D-Wanga, look like you left for your Jamaica yesterday.
Yeah.
You see how what? D-Wanga, me I watch you, you know. Me don't know for your husband, a white man there.
Yeah.
I be hiding face. Still, I mean, I see that man there face. D-Wanga, blessed, big up yourself. We don't know if you come back to Jamaica but we are long to see you day longer in Jamaica. Yeah, so if you don't know, say Maroon, long to see you in Jamaica. You see me, I say, I want Jamaica. Black I am and black I may be. I will never do nothing to change my identity. Black I am and black I may be. I will never do nothing to change my identity. My name is Maroon man. From foundation a long time they have me. From the plantation, handcuff me foot, handcuff me hand. Now me release as a ring bound Jamaican. My name is Maroon man. From foundation a long time they me from the plantation, handcuff me foot, handcuff me hand. Now me release as a ring bound Jamaican. Me say black I am and black I may be. I will never again picture my identity. Black I am and black I may be. Never again picture my identity. Africa, me say me well one go back. Me say Africa the land, me say yes I'm black. But there's a shaka to do, me say this we black. You know Africa is natural, but me say I want to. I want Maroon. You know say I'm Maroon. People, what me say we have to I want Maroon. Life. Yo, you see keen life in Jamaica. One Rasta Jackson alongside Maroon. Because you don't know so we is no goon. You know we are no cartoon. You see all of them people that we are watch, keep in tune. Because you don't know we is not a goon. We is not cartoon. All of me beloved people there. Me love you man. I me know no love you. You can't forget enough of Maroon. Never enough of Maroon. To all the people them, me can't walk through the people them and say Maroon, whatever time we look for Jesus Christ, we done everything the way we are doing. We sit down in our house. We just want to hear your voice, your voice so big and mash up in the house. All of my loving people there, me love you man. I want to say enough more Maroon. Back life in Jamaica. You know, subscribe. You know, so we do it thing. Yo, one Maroon man, one Kina. Yo, you know, one Jackson. Big up on my family.
Give them a song with the rhythm of raise everything and raise all the dead from the grave.
People, watch out. People will put things that one in a jam down. The price increase of it, mash us down. Well, he put things that one in a jam down. Is that the price increase of it, mash us down. People stick out and I make it for the foolish. We use $100 can buy pound of fish. Stick out and I make it for the foolish. We can't find money to send the youth to school. Who are make it the thing that raise. So raise the dead from out come in, me say dear and flower we can't. But chicken back, me say not less chicken. Me go the party that one in a jam do. Pull up with it. I read that because you don't know. People, you hear me, you see today still. But now like my voice kind of get hoarse here, but you don't know that don't stop the energy. No. But I can't get free. Push the lyrics so I want it. Because sometimes I know lie, the breath kind of tired. But
I the voice with a sleep.
I the voice
almost asleep.
Rasta! Listen me almost drop asleep.
I the voice with a sleep, man. I wake up, man.
Niceness, you know, Kina. Kina, I'm not lie. Niceness, because you know, all these lovely ladies here, you look so gorgeous. Baby, something about you. Man, I want Maroon.
Never told.
Watch out. People want 19 information money, some get it, but they never live to spend it. See the 10 grand for them, pay by them casket. Always saying, 19 information money, some get it, but they never live to spend it. See the 10 grand for them, pay. Watch out. From an informer running, make me find out. Big Macky level bad man, papi toad. Shot to the yard and the face on them out. Uncle said the yak can pack up and chip out. He no one dead in no informer out. Fire on guard when we said to the youth. Anybody say the yak and try if you run out. Shot in a yard in a face in the mouth. 119 information money some get it, but they never live to spend it. See the 10 grand for them, pay by them. 119 information money. Watch out now, I want Maroon now. Watch out, me love to see the breast and stick out. Oh, Tommy, I may have to look out. Tell them a Belgium Maroon, man, a chill out. Love to see the breast and stick out. Oh, Tommy, me eye, me have to look out. Tell them I bet them a road not chill out. Girl them pan the east, say them want a piece. Girl round and west, say them want the best. Girl out a south, them me a talk about. Girl down and north, say them want the south. Some a round it and they close them a barber.
Yo, see a bit.
Yo, me have to fill up what I'm saying. Rest up. That reason knock me up. Not for so that reason keep me for 600. But you know when Maroon waking up here, you know say, I don't know now, man.
Yeah. Like I see it now for another time, you know.
Yeah, man, see it, man, because
see some energy.
because you have some man downtown, them a watch a thing and a look up Kino.
Alright.
We are give them a deal downtown. We are come downtown, Bedford Street, look out for it. Right away.
We are forward downtown, we're not coming, we're forward.
Tell you no, push there, but we are forward.
Yeah.
Wipe on the cup.
Why? You see me I say?
When we are coming, we have a girl that come.
Yeah, so we are forward.
You are forward. Yeah, me a safe travel from the gravel. You know, man, I love and good and strength, happiness, one black, one Africa.
He must split the man because I'm there now.
Yeah, man, because I'm there not to rent baby $1,000.
$1,000 baby. Come and buy one right now. Buy a drink after that too.
Yeah, man, I mean, blessed, you know we did. When my friend give me a joke, nobody now to say. Yeah.
See, you know, so this will keep you alive.
Yeah, man, I want to tell you, man. You know, just don't get me when I deal with. No, sir, we are that day them in a selling thing.
Yeah.
We are there around the globe, downtown, uptown, crossroad, east, all about. Because you are keen on the people them. Them are dying to see you. Yeah, some people are crying to see you at town here. Tell me, I tell you.
We are road man. We are road show,
you know when Maroon up on the program.
All right.
Jesus Christ.
Energy.
We can't walk. Energy.
Alright, big up. Yeah, man, see you, sir.
Yeah, man, at that side there, one love with Jamaica. Who wants to see all of Jamaica? Spread the love, you know. Yeah, man, love and unity. People, if you don't know Jamaica nice and sweet, you must love certain things.
Sure.
Yo, one love, oneness, one Jamaica.
One Maroon
in Jamaica.
Every time.
Man, you know.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself.
Coconut expensive, coconut well deal. Tell all the farmers for plant up this year. Alright, you have to do that.
Kina, you know, you come in that place. Give me one day, come give me down in the plate, brother. I come see the place and go in the studio.
When you're free up, man. When you're free up, man. Yeah? I'm a general, cool, no? Yeah, man, Yeah. They know so cool the past, so not get the Maroon man moments and time for himself. You know? Energy. Yeah.
In the background, I'm doing some pork nut water and I'm doing some pork nut. And I give them a pork nut down.
Huh? This. Oh, alright, nice. Yeah, Nova Scotia. Wee. Well. So just here. Esther, here, I have a donation for you as well too. From Jamaican uncle. Was here the other day. So 3,000 for you as well too from Jamaican uncle.
Thank you, my uncle, Jamaican uncle. Really appreciate it.
Alright. So we'll give thanks to Jamaican uncle. My phone are reading. Cranberry them. Hello? Hello? Yeah? Listen to this.
Yeah, come today.
How old is?
Coco.
Toko?
Yes,
If me I come today?
yes.
Tomorrow. Okay, what time are they?
Yeah.
What time I say? I talk on nerve me I come
I
today.
wonder why. So them want them big.
I wish for with it.
I want them see them run up and down.
Yeah.
And not talk. I want to cranberry with that. Then run up and down.
I can surprise them again. Yeah. Yeah, the one talker call ask if me I come today. When we just reach. Not knowing. But to surprise we shall get. Them I go see, yeah. Tara.
Somebody would watch it and tell you to find
That down there the boom. There's somewhere underneath the rock.
That's a bit
Relaxing pool. Relaxing pool like. Boom. Yeah. It's a two bomber drop. One gentleman.
Yeah! Keen on place, I put them there. Where you put them there?
We left the pot today.
Yo, I eat that thing, man. I eat that thing. I love it, you said this thing.
Yeah.
And your presence important, you know.
True.
Yeah, man, every individual presence important. We still connect to the Iowa, you know. Yeah, man. So, I found out today or tomorrow, but we still present do the right thing. That's all that. So, come on.
You know what type of papaya.
I'm a few little ganja, you know.
Yeah.
Ganja.
Yes, them beer yes too?
Eh?
Them beer
Yeah, some ganja every year, man.
Yeah.
Every year, we ganja out of the yard. Every single year. Every year in the park.
Oh, boom, go up there, make them know so we're done here.
Boom to be right up this afternoon. No, boom to be right up for
Boom, are you go up there, make them know so we're there. Where? In that shop. And you see me. When you call my phone for talk, see how you call me now you're not talking. See we are talking about Esther? Talk. What's up? Are you just called me a while ago? What you say? What you ask me?
Esther now come.
See me here now. What you have for me? What you give me? You not give me no jackfruit, nothing? Talk. I say you're the next one as well. I gotta make you stop calling my phone too. Right, Nana? Which I will tell you to. Eh? You get news? So boom, you have a good cat too. Nana, how you feeling? Feeling better? Good. Yeah, white nose. What's wrong with you? When this cat, cat I got buy it to them. Yes guys, I've got a new daughter. Make a public announcement. Your mommy up there? Daddy up there too? Alright, I'll go up there.
Dad not there. Yeah.
Come here, Nana. Come talk.
I like that.
I don't want nobody else follow me. That's want own alone. What is? Get new that. Listen now. Where she go?
I'm your old daughter.
No star.
What?
The new daughter.
And you still a white man. You're the white man for Becky. Girl, you never get white party here, girl. I said the man laughed last night when we got here. My mother sent me up the road, you know.
Yeah, get new data, me get new data.
I'm going to walk up and talk to the road, they make me laugh with the girl. Like a park and I say nice and I laugh. Them in my shop man I laugh, said time.
Tara! It's a next shy one, yeah. High five, come. Give me a high five.
So don't buy ice cream at school, daddy.
You buy ice cream?
Yeah. 150.
So no give me any?
No.
So why not?
Oh, no, so mean. You're so mean.
Yeah, you tell the principal.
Why me not buy?
She said, I have 100 for 50. I'm going to she said, I'm going to get 100 tomorrow. And tomorrow, I'm not going to have money to buy no more.
No buy?
So, yeah, no, your father no dead. You can't ask, you know. Yeah,
said that?
Some cheat.
The teacher?
Yeah.
The teacher, you see you, miss. What's your name? What's your name?
Where's your name again?
Cranberry teacher. I'll be paying you a visit. I'll be paying you a visit. Miss Cranberry teacher, I'll be coming over there to pay you a visit.
Him? Yeah. He man PI teacher said to the boy. I wait for money where I get her and then we I come to school and now bring nothing to them. So me say me get money for no?
Exactly.
In my house my father left me money for me. And my kitchen for my cocoa. And then me have to sell food and can't come support me. I hear the white man say yesterday to me, the kitchen you build right now, girl, I keep food me come back, tell you. And your mother can't sell it to you. I sell yourself. Who wants
So Cranberry, you serious about cooking and selling food?
Yeah.
What is
And even when I come back school, me just
supposed to hurt the people them belly? What are the words?
me just bring them back to
Come here.
the doctor.
Suppose when you cook, and it hurt the people them belly, what are you gonna do?
Bring them a doctor.
Bring them a doctor?
The people that are not doing it.
Nah man, say what are the words? If you cook and the belly hurt them, especially if you cook curry and Esther said the curry not taste good. What are you gonna do?
If you run them belly, me just bring them a doctor and the doctor tell me what happen. And me just bear it.
So you can cook curry?
Yeah.
Or you cook curry?
And you just season the meat with the curry. If I curry chicken, you all boy, you just season the meat. I make the fat hot and then I train the iron hot and then I fry the curry chicken.
You fry the curry chicken? I fry your fried?
The damn it, man.
Can I make your belly? No, see if I make none of belly hurt.
So the teacher them do.
Oh, so you try to cook like the teacher?
Yes.
No man, you
Let
have
them cook fried chicken at school.
Oh, them cook the fried chicken.
Them put, if a chicken, like them chicken you hold up on the top of it, you cook flour on it. Flour and fried chicken.
And flour. And so let it.
You say you hold on the top of it, so?
Yeah, I rub it up in that plate.
In a plate?
Yeah. I know,
Yes, sir.
look how salt on the meat.
You sure that you see them do? Yes, sir.
Have them buy the meat, then wash up the meat first and then them put something on it first and then say, them put cheese on it. Them just one little tip of seasoning and put the flour on the chicken. So they will, I should never bring one more to share one more. So that cool and me alone get that. She take one to go play for tomorrow.
Run for now.
Me tell her I said me not play for none.
Oh, you sound like you're sick. You sick?
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. She sound like she's sick. So yeah, she's stuffy. It's stuffy. White nose, stop it.
Already.
White nose run.
And today when me asleep, the teacher asked me how white cola, what is a cola?
So yeah, cause sound like she have cold. You hear it, Esther?
Yeah, she's still stuffing.
Still stuffy. So Nana pass it on. See the cat? Now we go stop hold the cat.
Them definitely not look here now every time. Last night the cat touched what we said, you can't touch up the cat.
Yeah.
You see?
Now go talk up.
And I probably tell her how much time I see George the beach and 5 rats.
5 rats. Now we go stop hold up the cat now.
And lizard.
How we not be feeding her, you know. Like same thing to Lucky cat. Lucky say if you not all the cat I wall out and go look things inside.
Yeah. Now we go stop hold them
You
now.
saw him jump out your hand?
tree.
You saw him jump out your hand?
When dog
Go
about.
look for watch out. So until I rock.
You sound like you're sickness, you have cold. Stuffy. See? Too much.
I go clean my teeth.
So you the sick now. She the talk out the cough now. You now sick. No sound good.
Want to take vitamins?
It will take feed. You not a cough syrup, you not have cough
No,
medicine?
like overall, you can take supplements.
No? Not at all. You take supplement?
No.
Like vitamins and no? So what you take for the cold?
No. My mother look for the scarcity and to make your cold going.
You still have cold, Nana?
No, no, cough, of course.
Still have cough, same here?
You know.
Now you have to left Esther a year.
You still a cough to talk?
No bother. You know that if I'm gonna say if I left her and take me.
Yeah. Leave her down here?
Yeah. And be the house, I roof of fear that she said the day I will call her. When they up a Christmas, I say, Esther, I can't tell her to bring it here. Tell Kino. Esther wanna say that. Tell Kino to left Esther and be the house here and make she fear.
And make you come.
Yeah, make me come and say that mother then I put a laugh and
So guys, it's apparently like some type of flu are going up here. You might have the flu. Something go around. Because Cranberry sound like she's going sick. Yeah. And Nana still a cough. Coco. But not the water today. You swim? This morning. You swim? Not the water?
And it's cold down. You know, for baby, more so after.
Them want to have like some type of medicine, cough medicine or something in the house.
Or boiled bush.
Something to them.
Too much bush they run, but they don't know the use of them.
Yeah. Even the leaf of life.
Yeah, I see leaf of life.
That is so good as well to boil and drink. The leaf of life.
Yeah, the green chocolate. No, we pick them and blend them.
Eat it.
Me not eat it, so girl.
It's good for food.
You eat it,
Come, let's go for you. We'll give you one donation. Come.
Tomorrow me buy ice cream, you know.
I have cold, don't eat no cream.
No, my mother me bring
I'm not eating that ice cream.
No, don't eat no ice cream.
Oh, it's not Sunday. I don't want to eat ice cream.
And sicky.
Daddy. It's your uncle Bob. Yeah, Bob back there.
Then drink it already.
You can't look at it.
Well, ingredient milk? You want to cat milk?
Yeah.
You know what's that?
And get them bread. So yeah, clean up.
Yeah, clean.
That's it. Who clean up?
Who sweep it up?
Oh.
Charge it. I will sweep the yard. You, Cranberry? That's good.
I mean, I'm come on,
That's good.
I let me know what's there, still do something. I mean, I tell mother say can't come out, so she said, left anything you can't come out. So she said, better the yard clean. And I just like, I look at fire. See, that's how I always remember my mother. See, it does smell the yard clean.
Yeah. Tara, where you going? White nose.
Daddy, you know see the mango already?
Which mango?
The mango the way reality. But having the bird something. Yes, I'm get one that fight. I want to stick one.
Nana still a cough.
You talk a cough.
And Toko a cough. Everyone a cough.
I let me there. If boom come up and we make it out them so. You really ask me whether some get one of face here.
Yes.
Say.
It's sweet?
I woman I eat it. Excuse me, I'm not going to kill your hair and you come. Remember about your parents?
Look funny.
Hello, don't touch me. If you ever touch me father, fine.
Never it is. Still want 1 more month.
1 more year.
One more month.
1 more month. That's a farm. I picked that for my birthday.
Come out the door.
I win a bed.
Come out the door, man. Too late, mommy. She knows I play that, man. Come on, mommy. I know you want to sleep.
What charge it? On the road?
No, that is.
Him sick?
Him sick, him asleep.
Come like him catch it flu and we go catch it from morning the whole of the day and a cold and talk. Don't feel like I flu.
I flew, yeah, because the whole of no. Yeah.
See there?
My calf.
Him is sleeping and put up.
You sick out?
Watch him get up. Daddy,
Yeah. Come on, lie down back, man. So where you take feet?
No, so I take nothing for you, that.
Yeah. The pit them I get it from, you know. The pit them I get it from.
Come like I know the first one.
I know first it have you.
and then
And then you and the back up. They ain't a boy in a bush, nothing at all.
him boy Cersei.
Bush this man, I'm Cersei.
Some Cersei.
Excuse daddy.
Oh, some onion, garlic. And something there. And the whole all sick, you know. The whole are sick. Because I see all toe calcium and I still a cough. I know cranberry stuff up and you sick. I look flu go around still. I look flu go around. Because Esther might be sick as well toward there.
Okay.
I look flu go around. Georgia. Oh, it's a sweet or some other. Come to the onion where they.
Onion?
You do what there?
Me not take it. And you know, sir, yesterday I said we am sick out yesterday. Me have end up making end up tired him. I make him jump asleep back in my heart yesterday.
Yesterday, huh?
Go to the top.
Gotcha. I know say in the car I have one bitters and a noon in the car. But I could have give you to take. Yeah, I go throw it some in one buckle. There are bitters where you can take as well too. And the noon then in the car. So when I go I just make them. Yeah. But that food as well, the kind of thing we have as well. So the noon with cayenne pepper in it.
Yeah, come and tell you the pressure come in my chest, let my chest sore. So I can't go like a tear in my chest.
And I go feed and come back. I go feed and come back. I go feed this and come back.
That's the
Cover.
thing. Seminar.
I go feed and come back.
Cover the.
Come. Come and go to the car and sit and come back. Alright guys, I got a noonie, I got the noonie with the cayenne pepper. You know, I got some ibos pie which is good for the flu and what's going on as well too. And I also got some bitters I'm gonna give to them. You know, so I can get it back at ibos pie store. But I'm gonna make them get it because the fire is really sick. So everyone keep trying to get sick. So I'm gonna go to the car, get it, and then come back.
You can jump like you know.
Eh?
Can jump.
No, she can't jump.
I will jump. They start here.
Yeah.
That one go back. Never know. Is that it? Eh? One never knows. Never knows. Is that it?
One day.
When they say that, go tell me, yeah, I'm every day I go on car, you know.
Yeah.
Never knows. 20
Come on, come.
20. Young. You don't blend it juice and freeze it and drink it, you know.
Yeah.
It look water and like half it back.
This now.
It's still bitter. Yeah, that's it.
Hold this.
Where
Hold this for me.
Why someone look sucky, you know? Like so.
Somebody crab market. Ooh. Wow, look at that. What it good? So you can't even open it. Noonie. See that? Power.
I mix it up together.
Now I'm going to throw some in the back here. Are the same thing, but this one full. So I'm going to give all of it and give some of it. Look at that. See that? Pure strength. Pure coffee, nana coffee.
She alone a coffee for me.
And you have cold, and your father sick, the whole house sick. Everybody's sick, except Tara. Tara not sick.
I should have sleep your mother. Kira, oh yes, a look.
Oh, and you? Something to eat.
Right, that's a feel like it cut.
Catch you.
That even can't pull, man. Like it shake up other side.
Strong.
Ah.
It all go down back.
Yeah, it can go on. Look at some of the ear. See that?
One more round, go down this and I'll come back. 1, 2.
See, man.
Later, Coco. Later. Oh, there's something in there.
It's cayenne pepper.
Later, guys.
I was one that the same part or a different one that? A different one than the
And this is the bitters.
Yeah, mix it up together, though.
No, mister. This is bitters.
you see that's how the kina.
You know when you drink bitters?
Every time I see something I come by your camera, oh,
What company?
no, that's how I go like it look like it pause.
Oops. Come again. Ah. Show your face. Put the camera up on our face. Come, Cranberry, you come first.
No, guitar, give me last, daddy.
Come.
Yeah, because.
Great bitters, give me camera. Come, we need bitters in the system. See, you have cough. Ah. We need bitters in the system. One more, come. Ah.
Bah.
Do I get?
Come to our cook, I have cough too.
Tara get?
No, Tyra not sick. Toko, come. Come. Open your mouth. Take one more.
Why else did you do?
Alright, come. Come. Oh, should I spit it out? Ready, spit it out.
Baby, that's the girl on the girl.
And that's sugar. Bitter.
That means you saw why because.
No, I cool, man.
Cool, spit out. You see it bring up the coal right away. See it right away it bring up the coal. Right away it bring up the coal. Now sir, pure coffee not go on. Maybe all of them sick guys. So.
My one is on the road like no.
No, come out of the road, come out of the road.
See I drink bitters to daddy?
Of course.
Of
You drink
course.
this all the time.
Me not see I drink now.
You drink it all the
So
time.
drink some of me see right now.
So I have to prove to you right now.
Yes.
And that's what I always drink.
Mama sit right back now.
I don't have to drink it now because I don't need it.
If you give me the water like that, I drink it off.
Yeah, so.
I chop it off.
Bitters with daddy.
Bitter. Bitter. Now you put the leather part in there. Set a leather towel.
What different bit as this?
You know, so normally some of the old so them normally
Mama, wash your
What different bit as this? Different bit as this.
Bitters.
Wicked to wicked about throat
We
about.
don't for drink bitters. Yeah.
We don't want
You
the
know what I'm
one,
already.
the one. So.
Go, come get charge it.
Daddy, now, mama.
Charge it.
Daddy.
Daddy, come drink some of that bitters. They were bitter.
Daddy,
Yellow one
you
was-
tired?
We give the Noni plus first. The Noni with the cayenne.
Daddy, now drink that. That's bitter.
Daddy, don't kiss yourself.
You take 2 parts of this. Is that the...
Yeah, we.
What is that? Is that the wet and the cayenne and the Noni? Yeah, another one.
Nothing quick.
I eat well drink every day, Daddy.
So the fitters, you know.
Yeah, you give me that one, eh?
You get this, but you get that. The one that I too much for, you know. Too much pepper. Come on, charge.
Daddy, give me the ball. Oh my God. It's okay. No, give her the ball. Give me the ball. Daddy, what are you talking to? What are you talking to? No, that's big.
It's like it bitter, man.
You put them there, so yeah? Then we give you the bitters already. These bitters we call fitters.
Alright, close your eyes, Brooke.
How do you know when you feel hot?
You get
Feel
blue.
the fire?
See what's in the blue bucket.
Yeah.
Alright,
Start
what
to
is
burn
it?
out everything.
I know, I'm not saying drink none. Oh, the one that will for your hand.
Yeah.
Alright, what's he gonna
So no
get?
man like you.
Okay, go
Kina,
ahead.
who asked you when you are drinking?
Alright.
I want my always drink.
Okay, open.
You want us to drink it now when you go home?
You got camera.
Well, when we go down the car, you see.
Time, you don't want to tell me like no. Time, you know? Every time I drink it, you
Want some water? Hot. No, you know what? Make it go and work a little bit now.
Brooke, alright,
Make
ready?
it work in a little bit.
Yeah, Mom.
Make it go on. Because it's burning. Yeah. Make it burn out the bacteria first. Look a bit before you drink the water.
I go later.
Yeah. Not harsh. And that's it too, I forget the blood pumping, you know? I have 2 donation for you as well, so I'm going to need 2 donation. Right. Kensha, you sick too?
Yeah.
You too?
Mm-hmm.
So the whole of you sick?
You know, sir, 2 more girls here beside of them this morning, because y'all come up here. And the
stop
man even
that.
know so they up here. Come up.
Get the bitters for your mother as well too, and the next one.
Him thinks I walk on. If he never walk come up, he wouldn't even know so there, because the whole of knock out.
Oh.
Me and Georgie, because we lay down from Cranberry bed and knock out.
Come on, mommy, come.
Come,
Yeah, me.
Jesus.
I don't want your mommy to eat like that.
I'm afraid of people, I know.
And the pepper that one I see there,
The bitters on that.
bitter. Come now, one more time. One more time. Hey, put on that. One more time, this. Things. I think you must have rolled away about too. Good things.
My pepper. My pepper.
Get that the noodle one. Take two of that too.
One more.
You know.
Farm something that talk coming now, laugh.
Relax. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, you just get one more.
One more shot. One more shot.
No more. She's dead. Mommy's dead now. Get by you that one more too.
What you want me dead now?
Feel the heat. Yes, make it hot right away though.
You want this?
Come with that one.
Come.
That make you feel the heat.
You know something normally eat pepper? Me cooking their food, but
The whole house sick. I'm Tara alone is sick. Tara is a standing champion.
you know say just I go. You can talk to some of the females say I come up bake the ice cream.
Alright guys, boy, the whole house sick.
Eh? Yeah, no, when talk to Carlo.
Mm-hmm.
The kid say I'm not supposed to call him.
Who said that Tara?
Yeah, so we not talk. I talk to bring the phone to her and
yeah.
Right, that's what I need there.
Alright, Tara, you can call me, okay? Okay? If you don't say yes, you can call me, okay? Alright.
Yes.
Just say yeah. Alright, so I lift her band so she can call me, guys. Yeah. So guys, so the whole house sick. The whole house is sick. Except body have cold. So alright then, so I have 2 donations here for now. You know, so I have come here. White Rose, come down. Come down. Come down. Yeah man, come down. Alright guys, so basically, you know, hopefully them feel well after. You must start with the ice from the fish. You must start with the ice. Yeah? So, come down, come. We have 7,500. Come on, Nessun.
500.
We have 7,500 from Claudia from the USA.
From Claudia?
Yeah.
From USA, thank you so much. And God bless you and have a safe journey when you go to work.
Okay.
Claudia, thank you so much and may God bless
Tara, no Tara, no, don't do that Tara. No, make sure stay, but yeah.
Claudia, thank you so much and may God bless you and make your food basket never run empty.
And so that's 7,500 from Claudia. I'll give thanks. So we have another one here from Jamaican Uncle, which is 7,500 also from Jamaican Uncle from the USA. Come on.
Jamaican Uncle, thank you so much. I've been watching you guys. Touring the island, I've been watching you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much and may God bless you and make everything that you're doing prosperous. And thank you so much.
Just come to Jamaican Uncle.
Thank you, Jamaican Uncle. And God not sleep. God will bless you. I will miss you. I want to see you back to Jamaica.
Come talk.
Every time we are ball for and Kina, I want to bring you a country. Jamaica. Today we tell teacher so we meet Kino.
No, make your food basket.
Tell Kino so the teacher then say Kino buy ice cream.
Uncle, thank you so much. I make your food basket empty.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Jamaican Uncle, and also Claudia. Yeah, send it. Come, we'll tell them thank you.
Name
So we thank you, Jamaican uncle
Thank you,
and Claudia.
And Claudia.
Alright then, so we give thanks guys, I will thank them so much for the blessings. You know, and say, pray for them, you know, to get well soon, you know, because you can see the flu and the cold is upon them, you know, especially the daddy.
And Claudia, anytime
Come on the mouth, you know, make me sick.
Sunday, they're going to pray for you.
Yeah.
God, I will bless you.
Alright then.
Every week I see you give my mother money to go to the house and the kitchen. Today I tell my teacher say the kitchen is finished. And then I say if I start sell food, them can come and river and buy one big food. And I can pull your son, make your bead, do something about them can come your son. Good evening, Keddy Shop. What you out? Come here, can't pull this one.
You can't pull it.
Which way we going to put the food them for cook?
Who tell you you're going to sell food?
Me.
You?
Yeah, my mother.
Okay.
Everyone know.
That yes, sir.
Why you not sell fries?
Chicken and chips.
We usually sell fries.
Yeah,
Fries?
true. That's our whole yard.
Yeah.
Oh.
But
Fries
then
and...
come buy it and rice and peas.
Everybody at T4 this something.
Who not teeth it out?
No, we call to them.
Cook them.
Oh.
Them usually come to come.
And wait till the fries done fry and Kenisha throw them out then go so. And
rice and peas. Like, you know, if you know them, they normally come from school.
Yeah.
They come buy food, chicken and rice.
And stop and say Kenisha you don't cook. Yeah.
And just take some and gone.
Tell them clear, bro. And them things from some. When my ice cream when they go buy at school today, I said, Daddy, I said, the principal after asked me why my ice cream sweet. I said, because I said, Kenisha, I don't buy 2 ice cream. So I said, I don't buy 2 ice cream when I class me. They send me to buy 2 and she give me 1. So I said, thank you. Because you know mean. And that's all I make how much, yeah. And the wicked no, my sister now the Kenisha weird. And the girl I love going to pencil. I'm not selling me a pencil, but just I
Your style. I pull up now. You see it?
Put it in the water.
It's going to the water.
And then I say, just pull out them bead here. I remember you run.
Kachuna run?
Yes. Mom can tell them one.
What them say about the bean?
Or the beard, or them end up take it out. Because every minute them they are school around. And they never want them drop. So they
Because the bead here go.
when you stop playing
Oh, through you run the bean in your face?
No, it's going to make your face bleed if you drop it.
Oh, if you drop.
And then, what do you want to boy get the cut right? I say, no, well, I'm face bleed. My classmate did it. I say, I'm going to have and come with all of the blood. They have heal up. And they put one white something there, you know, the doctor.
Yeah.
Right, that's so sweet. And the pasta. The pasta. No, it's pasta.
Alright guys, so basically, you know, we're going to pray for the dad to get well soon because, you know, as you can see, he's not feeling so well. He's proper sick. So with that happen, you know, say he can't do no work. Once he's sick, you know, worse, no work can't take place, you know, because the dad is really sick right now. You know, and the mom not feeling well as well too. So cold, Nana. So the whole house, you know, literally sick out with the flu. You know, so they need some food, medicine and stuff there as well too. You know, they need all those stuff to help them, you know. So, you know, I give them some of my support. You know, it's nothing but love. Always we give them the support to each and every one that, you know, they need it. So it's nothing but blessings, guys. It's nothing but blessings. As you can see, the journey continues. You know, but pray for them, you know, so they get well soon because they need it. And Cranberry start to cough, so. Make sure, say, you know, go in and no water, okay? Where you go buy now with that? Food? So let me check my pine. You know, I always have to look at my pine. So, you know, I clean the people them pine. You know, this is the pine here, guys.
but them jackfruit, them baby one them.
Oh, the baby one them.
Yes, them family. You want me to take them?
No, so them not ready yet.
The father one.
Them jackfruit they not ready.
Oh, I pull that at you.
I will catch water. You miss Goody and you miss Goody. Run. Alright, catch your water.
Reform.
Come here.
Hold on. Hold on. We're not gonna buy food. That can feel off.
Yes, just pass her.
Normally, my surgeon say when you have a flu, don't lay down, because the more you lay down, the more you have to get sick. You have to rise up. And people don't understand about flu, you have to get up. If you don't get up, you're going to stay the same way.
Yeah. And from when you take him down?
About 3 days now. He didn't have it.
Yeah.
3 days. If you eat him hardly, but most of juice and water in the one.
Come here.
Oh.
Come here. Stop.
Yeah, go on. Yeah. You have for the sister? You go on for the father to your body.
Mom, come here, buy food.
Then I'm going to water.
Mom, how much food?
You have to get the water food if you want to go down there. If you want to go
Mom,
down
how much food must I buy?
you can buy a small one.
So my father was rich Kenisha.
Super nice.
Kenisha. The saga Esther say I hope you should have lived. You know Kenisha can't take Esther and make me go on the kino.
Alright, Kenisha later, yeah?
Alright.
So, get very soon.
Viewers, thank you so much and may God bless you and Kino have a safe journey going on.
Yeah.
And one thing, my voice is still worse. So
Yeah.
I go put a song. You know?
Yeah.
Still weak, but I still have faith. If you have faith, then you can reach your goals inside. I know it's hard for you, it cannot hide. The limit is the sky. The limit is the sky. So I'm going to fly. I'm going to fly.
Hey.
You know what?
Tara, sing now. Tara, sing. Where you want, Tara? Where you want, Nana?
Come here,
Nana, just hurry up and bring the water come back. By the time you come back, you have to catch up Cranberry. Just fix water.
Mommy, but she have $1,000.
Yeah, she can buy some food.
She can buy food and so it. Catch your water first and come bring it back. Yes, catch your water first, bring it back, and then you can go buy where you buy. No, the car are full. But catch your water first and bring it back to your mother before you go buy the food. Alright guys, so we're gonna go editing now. So thank you guys for the love and support. You know, I think it's a blessed love to all. Dream team, one team. You know, it's the only real team. Blessed love. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.